the torque dampener and of course the underglow kit. But yeah, let the car warm up right quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and head out and head up there and get these parts installed. Let's get it. Hell yeah. All the signs is going. Let's get this show on the road. My goodness, I gotta use the restroom. That traffic was bad. Let's head in. Let's see what we can get done. The other crease through here. Car. Mount underneath that. Mount right there. But I was trying to get around this slow ass car, and so when I went to get around them, I boosted, but I wasn't paying attention because I was just trying to get around them, and it like was wow. I was like, what the hell was that? I was like, oh, that's gotta be what Steve's talking about. It's that boost cut saying, hey, we're trying to protect you here. We ain't fully tuned. Chill out, chill out, dude. And I was like, okay, let me chill out for a second. So I know, dude, it like the power is in here. I said my car is like before Super Saiyan. It wants to go Super Saiyan, but I can't because I need a tune. And it's like Texas 2K because I know Steve took the Super out there and all this other stuff. And he's just like, let me get through all this, right? I mean, I guess I'm assuming he had a couple people that he was tuning. We're out there drag racing and all that stuff. We're out the streets in Houston doing all that.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Doing all that wild shit.
All that last minute stuff.
Yeah, and so he was like, let me give me a little bit of time. Like I don't really have a choice, right? Unless I want to go to like another tuner, right? I'm like, well, you tune this car. You tuned this car since the beginning, right? He's the only person that's ever tuned this car, so I stick with the same tuner. Yeah. Because I've seen horror stories, people swapping tuners, swapping this, you know. And you tune a certain way, he tunes a certain way, he's changing what he does, and it all gets all convoluted, and it gets bad. You know, because this isn't my work, you know, type deal. I remember a couple years ago, before I came here, and you guys installed it, and I met you, and you started fixing like all the stuff on the car. You cleaned up the manifold studs. You did a lot, man. You done a lot, right? Man, like what the fuck? Just to get me a dyno? Yeah. Just to get out.
Was 850.
Nice. See, obviously he's a good tuner. I got that installed. There was one thing you do need to know. This nut right here, this is the end nut that goes actually right here. As you can clearly see, there's no way to get that nut on without hitting the valve cover and damaging the valve cover. So we have to get another type of washer nut to put here. Okay, so this will not work for an R18. It's gonna hit the valve cover. It won't even fit. So this nut is a total waste. But again, that's why you go to professionals. They got extra nuts and bolts lying around. So you see, I just want to show you guys this. See how this is? You see how it's loose? That's how it's supposed to fit. It should not be tight to where it can't move. But again, this is just to help the engine from whenever you're accelerating from leaning back, which causes real hop. But yeah, it's supposed to be loose like that. You guys can clearly see it installed. The hardest part was obviously getting this bolt out right here. Obviously, if an impact gun, etc., you'll be okay as far as getting that out. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Biggest thing is this nut right here. Like I said, we got to get a opening a nut in order to fit it. You can see the clearance. I want you guys to see the clearance. Right there, let's zoom in right quick on the clearance. You guys can kind of see it right there. See, just barely enough with that rounded nut. There's no way in hell it fit. So keep that in mind. If you do buy this, I will tell weapon artists so they know. I don't know how people are getting it on before, but then again, how people buy this for an R18, who knows? But that's done. With the new top hats, the strut is actually going to fit like I thought. So we're going to end up putting the handy strut back on. Hell yeah. And then we're going to work on the underglow. So again, quick install. Biggest thing, like I said, is this nut right here. So let's get the strap on, and then we're going to work on this underglow. Have fun with this. There we go. Jordan's going to come to the rescue, man. Get the drill bits we need. So here's the underside of the car since we're under here. I don't see this. I'm asking me. Now I got some end links. They look. Actually, that's what I want to see. Looks nice. Looks nice. It's real nice. Alright, so we're trying to put the, where's that? Right there. Right there, we're gonna put the front going across that way, and then Obviously, you have to run them. Run them somehow. Go down the side frame. We're gonna put them inside here. So, well, see, that's why you can't do this in your garage. If I want to lift, I don't want to mess with this. To be honest with you, I don't want to fuck with it. Well, we're going to get some more drill bits and go from there. That's what we got going on for you guys. Each side. Broke a lot of screws. Then he's doing the sides right now.
Is that what you want to do? Just put 2 bolts like we did on this one?
Like we did on the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with it.
That seems much easier than the front, man. I'm just going off speculation. Much easier. Softer material. And the same for the back. And we still gotta figure out where to run that. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. Anything with this side. Yeah. Update what we got going on. So we're going through sheet metal, two things with sheet metal. That's why these screws that they included with this kit up breaking. We got the front, as you can see right there, and see the whole front's cleaned up. We got the whole front cleaned up. You guys want to see what we did? There it is, right there. Right there, zip tied, and we got 2 of the screws in, as you can see. And then we just ran the wires. You see how we ran the wires? Zip tied them up. For you guys that want to know, over the steering rack, all that stuff, zip tied them to the 8-beam brakes, and then we went to the side. The other side's identical. And then, of course, we got to run the wires to do it. That's how we got rid of the wires. You're going to wonder where the control box went. It's right here. Let me show it to you what we did right there. Right there. There's the control box. Extra wires. And then you only got the wire that runs all the way to the battery. Obviously, we haven't hooked that up yet, but you can see the neons right there. That way, you won't see the neon bar itself. So we're working on it. We're trying to get better screws to deal with it, but almost done. And we did get that. I did get that strut bar on. The biggest thing is we're trying to figure out what to do. This back portion, like where we gonna put this? Can't put it right there because all that shit moves, and maybe run it like right here. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll let you guys know once we figure it out. But once we get that side on, get some better screws, and we'll figure out how we're gonna do this back. Almost there. And for those of you guys that haven't seen, there you go, E-Boss. Haven't seen underneath my car. There's all the Megan suspension and all that stuff. 8-beam brakes, all that stuff. We'll get it. Alright, here we go. We got it all ran now. I showed you guys, we got the sides done. Not gonna lie, these screws, you can see it, especially like right here, let me focus in. These screws are cheap. They be breaking. So if you're gonna do this, just know that's gonna be a pain in the ass with the screws. The box said 35-minute install. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about. That shit was a little bit longer, but we got in. This is how we end up doing the back, right there. Because we gotta watch out for the obviously the muffler. So we punched a hole right here, zip tied it right here, punched the hole right here, zip tied it. And you see how we ran the cabling all through here. Again, we want to not touch anything that's moving. You guys can kind of see the side that has no hole. So that's why you want it going this way. So all your excess cable is right there in the corner, actually. All right, we're about to wire this thing up, and we're gonna see what this thing looks like. Waiting to hook up the power. I'll go ahead and show you. We got the guys saw the weapon on, and we got the tan we strut bar back on. So now look at the engine bay. Yeah, now it's looking GQ. I just gotta clean the bar up, and I get to the house a little bit later for the show. And right now we're putting the end connectors on so we can wire to the battery, power to the underglow. We finally get to see what the underglow looks like. But yeah, now it's looking sick. Yeah, it's looking like a performance engine bay. That's what's up. Oh yeah, we can't forget the Tubbs key. Hey There you go. There's the final product. Everything's wired up in this hole. Honestly, we made it. We made it fun because we're joking around. It wasn't that bad. The worst part about it is maybe something like this. The worst part about it is just the screws. But other than that, done. Done. Now, obviously, it's kind of hard to tell because it's daytime, but at nighttime, it's gonna look a lot better. So we're gonna clean up on the wire, and we're gonna call this done. All right. We're gonna get these. Show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. Again, subscribe. You got the interior. You guys know about the interior already. Interior lights already. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's do the neon there. I'm gonna put it on. Obviously, actually no, I can get the controller. Let me get the controller. Hold on. That's it. I'm out. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Again, got where I went, got the rainbow effect going. Car is off, so I do have it on the switch as well as on the phone. So I think this is what we're gonna do for the show. We're rocking the rainbow. We're gonna rock the rainbow on the bottom and probably the green on the interior for the tunnels. But yeah, there we go. Got all set up, got all done. Had the quick picture. And then you guys saw the final engine bay configuration. We got the torque dampener on. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me just kind of show it to you guys. Hold on. There we go. And the final configuration. Oh, I gotta clean the strut tomorrow, but I had to go to work, so we'll clean that. There's the up and on intake. Obviously been driving to work all around, all good. But now it's engine bay is sick now. I can't forget the touch key tower. So we'll clean up that board tomorrow, and then now tune. We'll get tuned before the show, obviously, and we'll see what it lays down. I'm excited, man. We had fun installing this underglow, but again, the screws that they provide are more than enough, but it's still a pain in the ass. So, all right, guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you have any questions, post them down below. Again, we're coming up on the show here in now a week, 2 weeks out from the show, whatever. But we'll have this cartoon the next week. See what Pauline does, as well as use the boost thing and see what numbers this puts down with. Pretty much every mod in the book now, and I shouldn't have any well hop. We'll see. Hopefully I reach my goal. But again, guys, I'm gonna eat and actually take my dog out and go to bed. See you guys next video. You guys have any questions or about any mods or anything, post them down below. I'll see you guys next video. I'm out. Deuce.